If you have used Jotform before, you already know it's one of the most popular form builders out there. It has a lot of features, tons of templates, and you can build almost any form type with it. But there are also a few problems. The interface can feel a bit outdated. The editor can be overwhelming, and the free plan can be restrictive, especially if you are collecting a lot of responses or working with a team. So, in this video, I will show you free Jotform alternatives you should try, especially if you want something more modern, easier to use, and better for teams. We will look at forms.app, fill out, and Google Forms. And at the end, I will give you my final recommendation. My name is Pat. If you are ready, let's get started. The first alternative, and in my opinion, the best overall choice, is forms.app. The biggest reason is its free plan. With Jotform's free plan, you usually have limits like a small number of monthly submissions. But with forms.app, you get unlimited responses even on the free plan. That is a big deal if you are creating surveys, contact forms, registration forms, order forms, or lead generation forms. You don't have to worry about suddenly hitting your response limit. Another major advantage is team collaboration. With many form builders, team features are locked behind expensive business or enterprise plans. But forms.app gives you unlimited team members on the free plan. So, if you work with a team, clients, students, or collaborators, you can invite people into your workspace without paying extra for every seat. The workspace is also nicely organized. You can use folders, manage different projects, and keep your forms separated. The editor is very beginner friendly. You can start from scratch or use AI to generate a form, or choose from over 5,000 ready-to-use templates. And forms.app is not just a basic form builder. It has advanced features like list view and step view layouts, custom CSS, multilingual forms, custom email notifications, advanced conditional logic, product listing for order forms, AI form creation, drop-off analysis, partial response tracking, and custom PDF generation. One feature I really like is the analytics section. You get an easy-to-use inbox for submissions, form statistics, and drop-off analysis, which helps you to see where people abandon your forms. That is very useful if you are using forms for sales, research survey, applications, customer feedback, or lead generation. So, compared to Jotform, forms.app feels more modern, more generous on the free plan, and much friendlier for teams. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are getting value from this video. I drop helpful content on this channel every week. The second alternative is fill out. Fill out is also a modern form builder with a clean design and also strong features. It is a good option if you care about building polished forms and connecting them with different tools and workflows. The interface is clean and it offers a lot of useful features for businesses and creators. However, compared to forms.app, the free plan does not give you unlimited responses. So, if your main priority is collecting as many submissions as possible without worrying about limits, forms.app still has the stronger free plan with advanced capabilities and good integrations. The third option is Google Forms. Google Forms is probably the easiest and most familiar option for many people. It is free, simple, and works well if you only need a basic forms, quizzes, or surveys. If you are already using Google Workspace, it is very convenient because responses can go directly into the Google Sheets. But the biggest downside is that it is very limited when it comes to design, branding, customization, and advanced features. Your forms can look very basic and you don't get the same modern experience you get from dedicated tools like forms.app, Jotforms, or Fillout. So, Google Forms is great for simple use cases, no doubt. But if you want professional looking forms, better analytics, and more advanced options, it may not be enough. Now, here is my final verdict. What is the best Jotform alternative? If you only need a very simple form, go with Google Forms. It is fine. If you want a modern form builder with strong integrations, Fillout is a good choice. But if you want the best balance of features, modern design, team collaboration, and a very generous free plan, my top pick is forms.app. You get unlimited responses, unlimited team members, advanced analytics, modern layout, and a very easy editor. And if you are looking for a Jotform alternative, definitely check out forms.app. I will leave the link in the description box below. Please go and try it out. Let me have your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to watch a complete video on how to use forms.app, I will also put the link in the description box below. I am Pat, and I will see you on the next one. Keep learning.